Are you looking for the best portable generator in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best portable generator that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the SereneLife portable generator. This compact portable generator is a hit among campers. It's small, holds a strong, long-lasting charge, and has a heavy-duty plastic body that looks like it'll take a beating, one reviewer writes, adding, "I really love that I can plug a solar panel in so we don't have to use the stored charge while it's sunny out. It also charges with a standard AC plug or DC car plug, and it takes about 8 hours to reach full battery. And that means it can be used on successive days. When it is fully charged, it has a capacity of 155 watt-hours, which means it can power 2 9-watt LED bulbs for a full 8+ hours. We also have a very low wattage small AC-powered fan that only consumes 4 watts, which means we could get theoretically 38 hours of runtime from that, according to one reviewer. A majority of users bought this to power their CPAP machines, which help people with sleep apnea breathe at night while camping and have had a lot of success. Most importantly for me, it will run my CPAP for 9 hours on a full charge, provided I turn off the humidifier, heated tubing function on the unit," one writes, while another says, 8.5 hours running CPAP, no problem, and only used 1 bar on charger, so should run CPAP 2 or 3 nights on a charge. Up next in the 4th place is the A-iPower SUA12000E 12,000 watt portable generator. This A-iPower generator is built to run for long periods of time at maximum capacity, unlike others that are better suited to temporary situations. This was essential for one reviewer, who had purchased this generator before Hurricane Irma took out their power in 2017. "My generator ran flawlessly," they write, "extremely impressed. Ran 14 hours before having to refuel, about 36 hours total. And, they say, it has held up well over time. I have had this generator now for 3.5 years, still starts first turnover." Another reviewer reports that this generator powered their entire household through an intense hurricane. "It ran for a total of 80 hours and never let me down and handled everything I tried to power with it," they say. "I had my full-size Whirlpool double-door refrigerator, freezer, 12,000 BTU AC window unit, 65 inches LED TV with a surround sound system, 2 PlayStation 4 second internet modem and router, another 40-inch LED TV, 4 box fans, 2 standing fans, 7 lamps, and a cell phone charger all running off it at the same time." And a third reviewer, who used the generator for 2 years before leaving a review, says they have determined its excellent value for the money. "I live in rural WV and we lose electricity often. This generator powers our entire house that includes central air, electric water heater, 3 freezers, well pump, multiple TVs, etc." The third product on our list is the Champion Power Equipment 200,965 4,375 over 3,500 watt dual fuel portable generator. "Wow, what a great generator," rejoices one reviewer after testing out this dual fuel portable generator. "After making the connections for the battery and adding some gas, I fired her up. 3 cranks and away she went. Sounds smooth and fairly quiet. The quality is really great as it looks like it was assembled with pride. The dual fuel makes it especially appealing." Another reviewer appreciates the dual fuel feature because she has the ability to use both gas and propane, which she calls the selling point. "With propane, no worries about gas coming up in the engine. Propane is clean." One customer bought it for his RV, also saying that the selling point was the dual fuel use. He explains, "Pulled over that night and ran RAC in our RV from midnight to 7 a.m. It was a little loud and was concerned with our neighbors, but after hearing the semi-engines and other RVers with their generators, all was good. We slept comfortably and still had propane to spare." As this reviewer concludes, "Bottom line, it just works for me, and I couldn't be happier with this product. The dual fuel aspect is a real selling point. No need to worry about how old your gasoline is." Second on our list is the Jackery Portable Power Station Explorer 240 solar generator, at least according to one reviewer. This Jackery solar-powered generator's combination of features and form factor make it the Tesla of generators. Like most generators, they say, the one from Jackery can help power lights, phones, laptops, TVs, blenders, and much more. But it also has a lot of other abilities, including surge protection, short-circuit protection, temperature control, that other solar-powered generators don't. Another reviewer, who disdains smelly, loud generators, uses this generator while working with drones out in the field. "The display lets me know how much battery I have left and shows how much I'm currently drawing, letting me make smart decisions about what I charge when and what to let run off of battery for the time being," they write. The generator has earned the favor of a third reviewer, who, after experiencing multiple tornadoes, floods, and hurricanes, decided 11 years ago to wean themselves of all electrical items entirely and switch to solely solar-powered appliances. Having tried damn near every prepping device you can think of, including a solar oven, solar radios, and battery-operated tools, they say the Jackery power station is a great option for someone who needs a solar generator. I would highly recommend it for living in an RV. Homesteading, camping, van life, preppers, tiny homes, and basically anyone needing a good, portable, and reliable emergency power in, God forbid, an emergency situation. Finally, the top product on our list is the DuroMax XP13000HXT 13,000 watt 500cc tri-fuel gas propane natural gas portable generator. As the most powerful option on our list of the best portable generators, the DuroMax Tri-Fuel is an impressive machine capable of powering everything that the average house needs to operate in a power shortage. Your lights, refrigerator, fans, air conditioning units, household appliances, and TVs can continue to work even if the whole neighborhood has gone dark. This generator provides convenience in a number of ways. To start with, it's a tri-fuel generator, meaning it can run on gasoline, propane, and natural gas, giving you many powering options. While running it on gasoline provides the most power, it still gives you a massive 9,500 running watts on propane, and a bit less for natural gas. The natural gas hose and propane regulator is included in the kit. The interface is on the front with all the functions, including a push-button start, the outlets, a low oil sensor, and the LED display, which shows the gas and load gauges, voltage, and frequency.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.